Yenina. Where are your sneakers right now? Where are your leggings right now? Where are your tights right now? Hey, America is coming because that one of young Didi, sorry, young Miami, queen of junior baby oil, she's coming for our Tyler. She is coming for our Tyler. And Tina, akasazi ukuthi sihlangene nabantu basemzumbe. Tina, we know people from Hammanskraal. Yeah? Forget Hamashashane. We are deep there in Toyando Block D. I don't want any problems when we go to do wrestling with the young Miami squad because they are coming. They say we steal songs. Us, people of no DNA, just RSA. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Ngiyamukela kwinkqubo yami bomtaba kadade bomtaba kagogo bomtaba ka-anti bomtaba hlala lapho wena. Sisi, I am Sims and it's at the Red Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Today is the last day of the special Hukwetwi. We will see next month. It's chai. It's closed. If you didn't pay today, back to normal prices. But I know people of the 25th, people of the 30th, you guys are rich. You guys are rich. You bought Mom Kiza's bag. We are coming there. What? Guys, when I tell you today's video is busy, I mean it, okay? We are talking from Carisha Brownlee, coming for our Tyler. Mom Kiza's handbags. Khumutso Ramano's second-hand shop, but the Blackie Coffee, Rick Coffee. Hey, the internet has turned on him. Did you ever think you'd see the day men turn against their Grootman? It's happening right now. But before we sink it deeper, beautiful, lovely, authentic, and relatable B Pasha wants you to subscribe to her channel, okay? From lifestyle to almost being 30 and living at home, like genuine struggles of a young lady growing up, okay? She is asking you to come and subscribe to her channel. As you can see that she is giving you aesthetic. She is giving you the thing. She is sharing Uguti Yes Wazanila. So please go over there and subscribe to her. B, we've got you covered. Don't worry. Management has the support structure of an elephant. It is there and it stays there. Does an elephant stay there? Oh, it's not about Angie this time. It's really about me. At my big age, I don't know the capacity and the capability of an elephant. No, it's not me. It's Angie, actually. Yeah, Angie, you're wrong in acrimony, my sister. Now, guys, let us get straight into it. Mamelani la, okay? Young Miami, aka Carisha Brownlee, woman of Didi, woman of baby oil, woman of whatever they call those parties in Didi's house. Yeah, she's didding us right now. There is a song that she has that says, take me to Chanel, take me to Chanel. You know copyright. I want to play the song, but the song says, take me to Chanel, take me to Chanel, right? Chanel, the luxury brand, right? Now, on this October, year Disak, our Tyler is coming out with a song called Put Me in Chanel. If you love me, you'd put me in Chanel, right? Here comes this one of young Didi saying that you stole my song. And I said, what? In the music industry, how many song titles are the same? How many people sing about the same things? Tyler has actually been dressed and put by Chanel themselves. Tyler has sat next to Anna Wintour in Chanel. You, Carisha, and your friends in that bus. We did not ask you questions when you were singing about Chanel. when other people have already sang about Chanel. But now you want to come for our girl. Dit gaan nie. Dit kan nie. Word mee reg asseblief. Daai meisie is ons. Nee? You don't want problems with us. Ons is baie gevaarlik. Vra Cyril met ons. Ja? Yo, no, sorry, I can't. My channel is not under 18. But please, we did not send for you, so don't come for us. Hey, thank you. Yenina, Mamkize. That lady, you remember, she's got big problems with SARS. If you think you've got problems with SARS, they are nothing compared to Mamkize's problems with SARS. SARS has confiscated, taken everything from Mamkize, from luxury cars to, I would say bags, but of all the 200 and something bags Mamkize has that are luxury, it seems like 23 are only true. So in multiple choice questions, Mamkize gets 23 out of 200. I don't even know what percentage that is because it does not even apply to Mets literacy. Yes. So SARS is currently auctioning her handbags so they can recover some of the debt. But it's only 23 handbags on auction, you know? So if Mamkize, a multi-billionaire, millionaire, money, has so many allegedly fake bags, but our influencers have Birkins and they've got Van Cleef. Really, I'm really starting to worry what is real and what is not real. But I know the truth. You know the truth. Everything is just glittering, but it's not gold. Nah? So yeah, man, people are like, what? She's been Hey, please, bye station has very big customers. Ah, so yeah, SARS is going to be auctioning, is already auctioning the 23 bags that have been authenticated as real. See, speaking about luxury and bags and authentication, Khomotso, my colleague in divorce and my colleague on YouTube, she has a shop and she's got an online store called Khomotso's Closet where she sells some of her own items, so they technically qualify as pre-loved secondhand. No, guys, it's secondhand. No, it's secondhand. It's no tea, no shade. If I bought it first and then I give it to someone else, it's a hand me down, right? So she's selling those goods, but now her people have come to me and they say, Sims, she bought a belt for 8,000 at Gucci, and then she's selling this belt to us after using it for the same 8,000. Is it wrong of us to say no? It's unfair. The iPhone, she got the iPhone and then she used it, and then now she's selling it for 20,000, negotiable. But that phone in the real price is 21,000. But that negotiable, maybe you can start at angas. But no, Khomotso, my sister, as my colleague and my colleague know, my sister, if it's used, the price can be the same as the store. How can I have? Unless maybe because it is also have been touched by you. You're also adding your price of you are the influencer that touched it. So your tash is also a price. So if I have something and it's 10,000 and I touch it, then I sell it. I'm selling the second hand, but I'm also selling the tash of Sims. Like, yeah? You see where I'm going with the tash? Your second hand and my second hand is not the same second hand because I tash. You hold, I tash. So, this Stanley Cup, I got it for free from YouTube, my boss. But I drink. I sell 3,133 naira. I knew you thought I was going to say rents, but no, I'm thinking about you. When I sell for the naira, you're going to come. I tash. So you're paying for the tash. Have you ever seen the day that people were going to turn on black coffee And when I say people, I'm talking about men. And when I say men, I'm talking about the devil's agents. And when I say the devil's agents, I'm talking about the toenails of Lucifer. Yes, them under the hell. The agents by Lucifer himself. Guys, men, anytime you have an opportunity to talk about men, drag them. Drag them. Even though mine is sitting there looking at me. Ah, so what? Because I'm still going to need him. But right now, I'm with the gals. Good. Yenina. So Black Coffee, gore vele ankere Entle Dembali has won the divorce. So now people have been coming down on Black Coffee. You remember how they used to drag Mbali before the divorce was finalized? Now the tables turn, bridges burn, you live and learn. It's turned. Black Coffee came online and said, you might believe everything you read, but I'm going to ask you one thing. Do not post my children. Don't talk about my children. But excuse me, you remember when you left your children without electricity? We donated, therefore your children are ours. When I was still looking at that, not came with a fly surfer, came with a fly surfer and said, you were quiet when the mother was catching the heat. So you have no right. You have no right. I'm just paraphrasing. You have no right. Every dog has its day. Today is Friday, and we're gonna talk about you, Rick Coffee. Yes, you're no longer Jacob's Croning Mile. You're no longer Dow Echtebach. You are now Rick Coffee. That one that is on special discount and a sale on the same day. Yeah. My man's a so Black Coffee. He is in disbelief. Like he cannot believe that I, the creator of music. And then when I not wrong, not how can you tell this man to put both his hands on that Ferrari? Wrong not. Because he can handle the Ferrari steering wheel. Don't do that, not. I said, here, get her. What about Pin Pop? It's our land. What about Chapis? It's land. What about E-Bomb? It's Afghanistan. Guys, when I say I really mean easy. So I'm gonna give you a call, and don't go and sleep at your boyfriend's house because we are mourning. We are going to go to war. So mele sizile, mele sizile. And ukzila means that you have to not be with boys, because when that young Didi comes here, we need to be ready. We need to be ready with the tights and amateki. I don't want to be fetching you at wrong addresses because you can't fight for Tyler. Don't bomb me. Don't annoy me. As abantu bazovela nje. And then so engithi bese